Action of 1. Core subject, 50 marks. Depends on your selected category. A. Maths, physics, statistics, mathematics, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, probability, statistics, physics, mechanics, heat, light, electricity, magnetism, basics of modern physics, statistics, data handling, measures of central tendency, mean, median, mode, probability basics. B. Biology, chemistry, biology, cell structure, human systems, genetics, ecology, evolution, microorganisms, chemistry, atomic structure, chemical bonding, states of matter, solutions, acids, bases, salts, basics of organic chemistry, environmental chemistry. C. General, basics of English and Urdu grammar, general science, physics, chemistry, biology up to 9th to 10th level, everyday science and general knowledge. D. Computer science IT, fundamentals of computers, MS Office, Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Programming basics, C, C++, Java, Python, only fundamentals. Network, LAN, WAN, Internet. Database basics, SQL, DBMS concepts. Computer security. 2. Pedagogy, 15 marks. Teaching methods and education, Bloom's taxonomy, lesson plan, classroom management, student evaluation and assessment, teaching aids in technology and education, learning theories, behaviorism, constructivism, cognitivism, role of a teacher in the classroom. 3. English, 15 marks. Grammar, parts of speech, tenses, articles, prepositions, active, passive, direct, indirect, vocabulary, synonyms, antonyms, sentence correction, comprehension passage. 4. Islamiat, 10 marks. Basic beliefs, Aqidah, pillars of Islam, pillars of Iman, life of Holy Prophet Sallallahu Khulafai Rashidin, basic Quran and Hadith knowledge, teachings of Islamic civilization. 5. Pakistan studies, 10 marks. Pakistan movement, 1857-1947, two-nation theory, Quaid-e-Azam, Allama Iqbal, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 and major amendments overview, geography of Pakistan, rivers, mountains, resources, current issues, economy, politics, defense, CPC, climate change. Total 100 marks, MCQs. Sources equals class 8th, 10th syllabus.